Okay, what we got here is the SCV off of a 2940 John Deere. As you can see, this is different than the ones I did before. The valve, we had the complete valve. This is just the actual remote where you plug the hoses in, as you can see. This has been converted over to ISOs, where normally John Deere had what's called Pioneer. So this is the newer style ISOs. They're leaking really bad out through the stems right here and out the back side. So we're gonna go ahead and tear this apart. We've got a new kit to put in it. Just a food of advice for somebody who's ever doing these. You don't have to smash these down in. People smash them down in, they think, oh gosh, I'm really sealing everything up tight. That isn't what these are. All these are is to just stop stuff from going down in there. It's not, I usually put a little bit of silicone or RTV underneath this so water can't get in there, but you do not need to beat these down in. It just makes it really difficult to get them back out. Usually I drill a hole in the back corner right here, and then you can stick a punch like this in there and then pop them out. Some guys take a prick punch and they'll beat in there to get to that and pop them out, but we'll go ahead and tear this down and I'll show you what everything looks like after we tear it down. So I want to show you one barrel's out. This snap ring right here is what holds those barrels in. It is down inside there. Normally what we do, whenever I do it, is we drill a hole right here. Just a little hole so that you can actually get like a pick, a dental pick down in there, and you can pop that snap ring out. Well, somebody didn't do that when they did these conversions, and it makes it very difficult to try to hook that little end of that ring and get it out of there. Got this one out. This one here being kind of a bugger. We'll get her out of there. Okay, I wanted to show you on this remote after we've gotten it all apart. These are the seals that go in that seal up the barrel. As you can see on this barrel, as you can see all the wear right here and here. It's just common. It's just from it being used extensively. This tractor, this 2940, the guy does a lot of hay baling and hay stuff, so he's unhooking and hooking a lot of stuff up to it. Now I want to show you there's two different styles of seal things that you can use. You have an O-ring and a backup ring that will go in the groove, or you have these what I call V-ring packings. So you could use either one, but I don't recommend on the newer style remotes because somebody's going to have a really hard time shoving the barrels in and out. It makes it so tight that you actually have to use a hammer to tap them back and forth. What these are for is the older series tractors, the older John Deeres. That's what they are for. But all of the newer stuff, well, I say newer, but you get into the 30 and 40 series, 50 series, this is what they use. They use this. Now, the big thing you want to remember is when you look down inside these grooves, get a light here. See, there's a groove there. Get the light right there, and then there's one way down at the bottom. The way these work is, as you can see, there's a face there, solid there. These actually have to face each other inside that barrel. So it would realistically be like this on each end. This one faces the inside, it's going to be like this. You're going to try to shove that barrel through. Even though that's tapered on the very end, you can actually roll this. You can roll this over this little lip or cut it. So what they make is they make a special tool right here that you actually put in the back end. You will stick in the back end here, and it will actually go over this seal, or inside this seal right here. It will go inside there, and then as you drive the barrel down through it, get this on there. Oh, come on. There you go. So as you drive that, anyway, as you drive the barrel down through there, it will push this out, and it holds that V-ring, that little ring right there. It will hold it open farther so that the barrel can fit right through there and close it up. All right, we'll start putting it together.